No, just seeing if a video made the color any different. They're more orange than this yellow. Let's give you a couple different views there. These are kind of the widest LEDs that I've seen here in a few years. Frosted, great color. You know what? I'm just gonna hit the lights. Yeah, great. Those are awesome. Great glow. They have a little foot on the bottom of them. It's a little hard to see right there. So if you needed those go down a little bit further, you could. Yeah, it's a kind of orange right there. It's the orange. That orange in here is on the top. All right.